Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm bringing to you an amazing, very simple pasta recipe. This is ziti with turkey mincemeat. No big heavy sauce in this recipe, so it's a little bit lighter than a lot of saucy ziti recipes, but you're going to love it. So stick around so I can show you how to put together this super delicious and amazingly simple recipe. I'm using Ziti Pasta in the recipe. So, the simple tip here is always to get your water started because I like to have the pasta ready as the meat and the vegetables are ready. Okay, we need 2 onions, peeled, cut in half, and then thinly sliced. One orange pepper, seeds removed and diced. One red pepper, seeds removed and diced as well. More peppers, 1 yellow pepper, remove the seeds and dice. 2 serrano peppers, remove the seeds from one or both and dice. I love the flavor of serranos. We need 4 garlic for this recipe. You could use more or less, it's a personal thing with garlic. Peel and crush the garlic, or you could finely mince it. I'm using about 8 small fresh sage leaves, roughly chopped. You could substitute any type of herbs you like. I'm using Asiago cheese in this recipe, freshly grated, about half a cup. You could substitute Parmesan cheese for sure. 2 pounds of minced turkey meat. 1/4 cup of olive oil over medium heat. Hear that sizzle? Saute the onion 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's add those peppers. Mix to combine. Okay, I'm adding the garlic and the sage. Season with salt and black pepper, freshly ground, a pinch of each. Okay, use a spoon to mix the ingredients together and saute 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's incorporate the turkey meat into the vegetables. Okay, let's cook the pasta in the meantime according to package direction. Let's cook this turkey for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's no longer pink. Season with salt and pepper. Freshly ground black pepper, that is. It really smells so good in here. Okay, let's drain and add the pasta to the meat. Stir to combine. And then add about half a cup of the pasta water. You could actually add up to 1 cup depending on how saucy you want. Okay, let's do a few more stirs. Add the cheese and mix to combine. Look at this beauty. Amazing. Beautiful people, let's plate and serve up this masterpiece. Look at that. It's garnished with some cheese and herbs. I have to taste it. The pepper, the onion, the bit of a hint of Asiago cheese, absolutely delicious. The pasta was perfectly done al dente, and the turkey absolutely makes it a much lighter dish. So I hope you will take some time to make this absolutely delicious recipe. Your thumbs up is very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, you know what to do. Click that icon, my left, your right. To get the details to this recipe, mouse on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!